everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix Roblox Error Code 600. Let's get started. For that, first of all, you have to open up your browser and then in the search bar, you need to go ahead and search for roblox.com. Once you're here, log into your account. So, once logged in, you need to go ahead and simply change DNS settings in your browser. For that, you need to go ahead and simply tap on this three dot, then scroll below, then tap on settings. Inside settings, you want to go ahead and simply search for security in the search bar. Once you search for it, scroll below, then go ahead and tap on security. Now inside here, scroll below, then you need to go ahead and simply make sure that this button that says use secure DNS is toggled on. For provider, you need to go ahead and simply select Google Public DNS. This helps Roblox connect more reliably. After that, you need to go ahead and simply clear Roblox temporary files. So, in the search bar, search for run. Once you search for it in here, you need to go ahead and simply type in %local app data %, and then tap on OK. Now inside here, you need to go ahead and simply press T to find the temp folder, select it, and then inside here, you need to go ahead and press R to locate Roblox folder. Right-click on the Roblox folder and then you need to go ahead and simply delete it. This clears corrupted cache files that often cause error 600. After that, you need to go ahead and simply close everything and then restart your PC. And then reopen Roblox again. The error should now be fixed. That's it. By changing your DNS and clearing up your Roblox cache, you can get rid of error 600 quickly. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.